And a good Tuesday to everybody. I'm Jewel, and this is J7409 Weather. Thanks so much for stopping by to check the weather out with me on this Tuesday, the 6th day of August, 2019. Severe thunderstorms are possible from portions of the northern plains to the upper Midwest. We got some locally heavy to excessive rainfall possible across South Florida and parts of the Southwest. And I know you guys in parts of South Florida don't really want this, but looks like you got a chance of it coming. And much above normal temperatures are likely across portions of the Northwest. I've got this and much more all coming up on. Of course, here we have a look at the GFS map. We're going to just turn it on and let it run through right slowly while I tell you exactly what should be happening for today and tomorrow. We got an initial cold front moving through the Midwest tonight. Now, it's going to continue into the Ohio Valley by tomorrow, maybe late tonight, and eventually it's going to move northeast on Wednesday. Now, showers and thunderstorms are likely to accompany this front as it progresses through these regions, with just mainly localized chances for severe weather and flash flooding. Behind this, a reinforcing cold front is going to be dropping into the northern tier, and it's going to bring another round of potentially strong to severe thunderstorms to the northern plains today, moving into the upper Midwest states tomorrow. Unsettled weather is going to continue across parts of Florida and the Gulf Coast today, as abundant moisture strengthening and streaming into the region combines with summertime heating. There is that potential for some storms to produce locally heavy rainfall, resulting in flash flooding, and could have some flash flood concerns in this area, especially across South Florida, which has already seen a couple of days of heavy rain. Now we got a strong ridge across the southwest. It should slide eastward today, bringing some slightly cooler temperatures to the region, at least compared to the excessive heat in the past couple of days. Monsoonal moisture will continue to result in daily storm chances across the southwest into the Rockies as well, with locally heavy rainfall possible. Meanwhile, we got an upper ridging area building into the northwest, and it should result in much above normal temperatures, with the heat advisories in effect for today and tomorrow across inland portions of the Washington area for daytime highs in the upper 90s to near 100. That's for Washington State. Wow, gee whiz, how about that? It's going to be mighty, mighty warm in places. So, be aware and be safe. Now, taking a look at severe weather that may happen today, here's the categorical outlook map. We do have that chance of some severe weather late this afternoon and evening across parts of the central and eastern Dakotas and to adjacent parts of Nebraska. Now, folks, these storms may become capable of producing very large hail and strong winds. So, be aware of the hail situation. How about the tornado situation? It's kind of low at only 2%. When we come to the wind, most of the wind's going to be in the Dakotas, also just a small portion of northern Nebraska. 5% chance of this wind picking up, though, from western New York, Pennsylvania, a large portion of Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, and lower Michigan. This is all because this front's moving through. Now, when we look at the hail, it is at 15% chance for this area, mainly in South Dakota and North Dakota. Also going down into northern Nebraska. But I'm telling you, some of this hail could get very large. If you have anything outside, you need to make sure you've got it put up if one of these storms do mature and start in an area you live in. you could get some hail damage. So you need to be aware of that. And that's the severe outlook for today. And wrapping it up, we got the tropical outlook here at the National Hurricane Center. Nothing going on the next 2 days in the Atlantic, and nothing going on in the next 5 days either, folks. So everybody, you can enjoy yourself out. If you're vacationing in the Bahamas or any of our wonderful islands down here, or Puerto Rico or the Dominican Republic, nothing tropical in the next 5 days in the Atlantic or in the Eastern Pacific. And this morning we still do have Flossie, but Flossie is passing now. Look at there. It's totally out. Nothing's going to happen. Flossie is a remnant low at this time. A remnant low as it passes. So that's the way it is right now. Everything's really quiet in the Central Pacific, the Eastern Pacific, and the Atlantic for the time being. If anything pops up, I'll be sure and let you know. Everybody have a good day, a safe day, and a blessed day. I love you all so much, and I thank you for watching and sharing this information with your friends and family, subscribing, everything you do, donate, everything you do for me, just watching my videos. I love you and appreciate it so very much. Peace, love, and kindness to each of you, and thank you so much for watching.